It's January, a notoriously quiet month in the building trade, so I thought I'd spend today talking about lead generation sites such as My Builder, Bidvine, Trustatrader, Rated People. There's numerous ones out there. I use 3 or 4 sites, mainly My Builder, that's proved really good to me in the past. I've been using them for about 4 years, on and off, just to fill in the quiet spells. They work by, they've got a presence on the internet, they've got a website where homeowners go to post jobs that they want carrying out. If your profile matches up with the jobs they're looking for, you get sent an email outlining their job. If it's something you're interested in, then you can send a little letter of or a little email of introduction. If the customer then likes what they've seen, they'll shortlist you. Once you've been shortlisted, that's when you'll owe My Builder some money for the lead. But yeah, they're very good. Like I say, I've used them over the past and got some really good results out of them, and they're really good helping out quiet spots. So yeah, My Builder is definitely one to consider. The other 2 are Bidvine and Bark. I've not used them so much. They operate slightly differently, where you buy credits and then you spend the credits on their site, but exactly the same as My Builder. Customer comes along, leaves a profile, you get matched up. The good thing with all 3 sites is you can actually specify the areas you want to work in. You can also get a profile page where you can tell the customers a little bit about what you do. They can then leave feedback about the jobs you've carried out. So over time you build up a nice little profile page, which does help for customers to search and look through. I was with Decorator for a while, and I found that's what customers like. Customers like to see reviews from other people, so it's a cheaper way of getting reviews rather than spending fortunes on Decorator. The only other company that has not been launched yet that I know about is a company called Verified, and they're going to run slightly differently, I believe. I don't know exactly, but I know they have built a community of tradesmen, and they are the tradespeople are leaving reviews about certain things each month, and in return they are getting free leads from homeowners. I'm not too sure how it works, but like I say, might be worth checking out. Verified. It could be a new way of working, and it may help tradesmen who haven't got a lot of work and haven't got a lot of money to spend. I've got some facts and figures, what I've spent, what leads I've got over the years. Maybe it's worth that. Let's have a look now. Okay, then let's start with My Builder. I've looked at 22 jobs, so I've had 22 appointments. Out of those 22 appointments, I've won 7 jobs. The cost of the leads that I've bought through My Builder have cost me £220, and I've won £6,800 worth of work, so not bad. Looking at Bark, I've looked at 20 jobs, won 8. The leads have cost me £130, and I've earned £4,400. Bidvine, I've looked at 12 of their jobs, won 5. The cost of the leads have cost me £60, and I've earned £1,600 out of those. So if we add all that up, the cost of the leads is £410, but I've earned £12,800. And if you look at the percentage of the cost to the value of the jobs, you're looking at about just over 3.2%, nearly £13,000 worth of work. So really, it's a very cheap way of getting work if you're quiet. So in my opinion, it's well worth considering. I hope all that made sense. These websites are just one way of getting work if you're a little bit quiet. Another way is to go to your decorator's merchant and just tell them that you're a bit quiet. They've got people they know, other decorators going in there all the time that may be looking for some help, or even retail customers sometimes ask for recommendations of decorators. So yeah, but I mean, if you're quiet, don't worry. We all go through quiet spells, and I'm sure things will soon pick up. If you like the video, please subscribe, and I'll speak to you soon.